So this weekend is a long weekend because of the King's birthday, and my dad is taking us on a short trip. Here are some of the essentials that I'm going to pack. So the bag I'm using is just this Kathmandu bag. Really nice. I took it to Japan and it's really good because it's got this handle and this handle, so you can hold it this way or this way, and then of course put it on your back. The first item is my laptop. This is a 2024 MacBook Air with an M3 chip. It's really great and can run things seamlessly. It's really portable and thin as well, which makes it perfect for traveling. I also edit all of my videos on this thing. Next item is my Gameboy Color. This is something that I've wanted to own for ages now, and I finally got it when I went to Japan. It was something like 8,000 yen, which is around 80 New Zealand dollars. I also have a few games that I got, such as The Legend of Zelda, Mario Golf, and Pokemon Gold. It's a pretty cool thing to own and really cool to play games on. Next, we have my Lumix LX3. This camera is from 2008 and it shoots in 720p high definition. I got it from my granddad about a month ago, and it has a really cool nostalgic Digicam look to it. I've started to use it way more, and it's really nice and portable and perfect for on-the-go filming. It's also super easy to just chuck in your bag. One really nice thing to have with a camera is a tripod. The one I use is just a standard tripod from Manfrotto. It's really nice for static, still shots, but also kind of acts as a selfie stick for vlogging. It also came with a phone mount, so I can mount my phone and get shots with that too. After that, we have my notebook. This is a Lecderm 1917, and it's perfect for scribbling down thoughts, new video ideas, or anything else. It's in this really nice blue, but I've covered mine with stickers. I use this notebook with the 0.38mm Uni Jetstream, which is my favorite pen. I got this in Japan from a 7-Eleven for like $2.50. It writes really thin and is so nice to use. Next is my mouse, SD reader, and hard drive. The mouse I use is the R11 Ultra from Attack Shark, and it's super lightweight and super good for traveling. You'll notice I say that all of these items are pretty good for traveling, which is why I'm bringing them with me. The SD card reader I use is just a standard one from Bon Elk, the focus here is being weird, and it's really nice because it can take SD and micro SD, and it uses USB-C, so I can just plug it straight into my laptop. The hard drive I use is this 4TB My Passport for Mac. I've put all of my Japan footage on here, and there's still more room. This thing is perfect. final essentials are my iPhone, AirPods, and my Apple Watch. My iPhone is an SE second generation. I have the AirPods Pro 2s and the Apple Watch is a Series 7. My phone's still good. It's not trash, but I'll be looking to upgrade soon. I film some of my videos on this thing using the Manfrotto tripod and phone mount. The AirPods are amazing. The noise cancellation is great. And my Apple Watch is really nice. It's great to just check the time and also track my sleep, see my activities, and see my notifications. So, those are all the essentials I'm bringing with me on holiday. Comment down below where you think I'm going, and I'll see you in the next one.